Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, checking in on CRM. It's 4:30 p.m. Eastern. I'll check out the after hours reaction to earnings. But just looking at the daily chart heading into earnings, this is not the kind of action you want to see on the week leading into earnings. So an oversold dump, a bounce, but rejecting from resistance and pulling back day after day, this does not tell me people want in before the earnings report. So let's check in on this 5-minute action. Big dump. Bulls are trying to establish support down at 74.51. And we're either going to see another leg to the downside or a short-term bounce. And then by the time we open tomorrow, we'll have a fairly significant different setup than what we're seeing now. So it's important to check pre-market, obviously. But if we were going to use these levels here, 74.51, and we're seeing a test right now, so potential break. Let's look at the weekly. This is a bearish break on the midterm trend. You can see we had our high and our low, lower high, higher low, tight range. Now we're going to dump through and break these support levels and backtrack a couple months of bullish action. So let's say we hold 74.50. I'll be looking at these supports down here, 73.17 and 73.44. Bulls established a support at that level on initial consolidation after the V-shaped bounce. If we see further downside, let's say we break 74.51. We're right there right now as I'm speaking. We're going to be looking down at this consolidation low, 70.71 and 71.12, the 100-week moving average. So the bears absolutely taking control on this earnings report, and we just broke that 74.50 right now. So another leg to the downside coming. 71.12 will be our target. And if I'm ever looking for a bounce on oversold conditions after earnings, I'm looking for the 20-period 5-minute moving average to become support and then maintain as support to see that oversold bounce play out. So that's what we're looking at on CRM. We're going to break the lows over the past 3 months and beyond. And let's zoom out and get a bigger picture now that we're going to get a big move here. Let's look at the last 5 years on the weekly. And we can see we had bounced off this 100-week before in the past. And when it was really brutal on the February dump, we bounced off the 200-week moving average support. So as long as bulls hold that 200-week moving average, the long-term multiple-year uptrend is certainly still intact. But I like that 100-week moving average as a potential target. And we're currently closing in on 74. So still $3 above that level. We'll see if the bears drive the price down in the after hours and pre-market session towards that level. That's a target for a bounce. I appreciate you watching. Have a great night.